Most people use AI wrong in exactly one way. They ask it for the answer, ask it to critique instead, and it gets dramatically better. Here's what I mean. You write an email to a difficult client, you paste it into an AI and say, make this better. What comes back is smoother, longer, and somehow less like you. That's the AI guessing what better means. Now flip it, paste the same email and say, you're a client who's already annoyed. Read this and tell me the 3 places I'd lose you. Suddenly it's not rewriting your voice, it's finding your blind spots. And you still make the call. That's the habit. Stop asking for output. Start asking for a second opinion. It works on almost anything. A lesson plan. Where will a struggling student get lost? A price quote. What objection is this begging for? A policy you wrote. What's the loophole? 3 things make it land. Give it a role, the annoyed client, the confused student, the skeptical boss. Ask for specifics, not a grade. 3 concrete problems, not this is good. And keep the pen. The AI finds the weak spot. You decide what to do about it. The people getting the most out of these tools aren't the ones with the clever prompts. They're the ones who use it as a mirror instead of a ghostwriter. If that's useful, subscribe. 1 snack a week and no fluff.